Hi, my name is Pearl Ivo and this is my first YouTube video. Now before we begin, let's take a moment and admire this top I made entirely by hand. Yeah, look at that. Okay, back to the reason why we're here. The earrings I'm going to be making today are pretty simple, nothing dramatic, just a few tassels and we're done. So this is me sectioning the threads, strings, whatever you want to call it. I am going to be cutting the parts I would be working with. Okay, so this is what I am going to be using. Now I have to divide it into two because we are making two earrings. Yeah, one for each ear. You do wear two earrings, don't you? Yeah, of course. Yeah. You have to count the number of strings in each part of the earring, sections. I don't know what to call it, but you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, let's continue. So I think I used about 11 strings in each of them. Now to the chain. Just take one part and pass it through the threads like I just did here. And then you pass your earring hook through it. I am not sure these things are called earring hooks. If they are, whatever they are called, let me know. So I am closing it off with a pair of scissors. Truth is, I finished it with my teeth. Okay, so we have two pairs now. The next thing is to tie the top, which I am doing right now. Knot number 1. Nice and tight. And then we'll do a second knot just so everything is in the right places and nothing is coming off. Do the same thing to the second pair. Now I am trimming the ends of the strings, thread strings. Yeah, you understand what I mean? Because we want to have even length. And there you have it, guys. That's it. Before I sign off here, here's a Bible verse I really love. Maybe my favorite. Yeah. Make sure you leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and follow me everywhere. Bye!